Good morning, guys. I am back. So it's about 7:30 in the morning. Last night I was up till, I don't know, like probably 10:45 editing. I realized if I'm gonna do this, I have to like be better at not stumbling over my words or doing stupid things that I have to edit out because it's just way too it's just way too time consuming. So yeah, and then I woke up at 4:30 and realized that I forgot to make a thumbnail. So I had to get up, get out of bed, and mark it private because YouTube gives you like the dumbest thumbnail. Like it'll just snap a picture of the stupidest face that you're making and it will automatically make that your thumbnail if you don't create one on your own. So I had to mark that private and deal with it when I woke up. But what happens to me is when I wake up at like 4:30 in the morning with a thought of something I need to do, my mind just keeps going. And then I start thinking of all the things that I have on my plate that need to get done and I can't fall back to sleep. And I'm like, I should just get up at 4:30 at that point and do all the stuff that I'm thinking about that I need to do. Do any of you deal with that? Am I the only one? I hate it when that happens. So yeah, so it's about 7:30 now. I got up a little bit before 7. Of course, I right away did my thumbnail and posted my October 1st Vlogtober, my first video that I made yesterday that I wasn't sure if I was even gonna post, but I did. So here I am and I'm back and I think we're doing this. I think this is happening. It's fun. I like it. I hope you guys do too. So I'm getting Madison off to school. I have to go to the gym this morning and then I have to pick up some groceries. I'm kind of planning and prepping for Madison's birthday because of the house construction situation, but I am ready to start my day. I have some like actual computer work to do today that I need to address and some phone calls I need to make and all that fun adulting stuff. I have to do the adulting stuff today, which stinks. I like the days that I can just film videos and edit and sit at my computer and eat Hershey Kisses. Like, that's a good day to me. But here we go. Let's do this. Good morning, boys. Good morning. So Madison is having some pancakes and Jim made me eggs and I have my coffee and we're watching some Jessie V. You both like that, right?
Yeah.
And that is breakfast. And here we go again. And of course, before I head off to the gym, I have to go ahead and move the laundry because that is the first thing I do in the morning, usually when I wake up, is get a load going. So I'm gonna put it in the dryer and head off to the gym. So I have this lavender sachet that I use, and I'll just show you a new one that I haven't used yet. It's lavender dry sachets, and I buy these whenever we go to Cape May over the summer. So it's a place called A Place on Earth, and it's right in Cape May where like they have all of the shops and things. And yeah, I usually get a bunch and use them throughout the year because they smell really nice. So I just left the gym and now I'm picking up my groceries. Some of you guys asked kind of like what my workout routine is, and although I don't really have one, I'll let you know what I do when I do make it to the gym. And I usually do at least 2 days when I go, but I aim for 3. And day 1 I will do like a half an hour on the treadmill, and I don't run, I just walk really fast. So I do a little bit better than 2 miles typically. And then I will do lunges, squats, and I'll do abs. And then day 2, I'll do upper body. I'll just do those like nautical machines, I think that's what they're called. And again, I'll do a half hour on the treadmill to start. And then if I make it for day 3, I will typically do a little bit of upper body, a little bit of lower body, and abs. I just kind of randomly pick different machines, and I always warm up with a 30-minute fast walk. So that's what I do when I go. And on my days off, I try to incorporate some yoga, and it's very chill yoga. Like I don't do anything strenuous. It's just stretching because I feel it at my age. When I work out, like tomorrow morning, I'm gonna wake up in pain. So I am waiting for my groceries now, and then I'll get home, put everything away, and by then it's gonna be close to lunchtime. My day just goes so fast. Okay, so I just got my groceries, and apparently this is the second time this happened. They have my house number on file rather than my cell phone number, and we don't use our house phone number anymore. Like, we just don't. It's not even connected. We have it, so we could connect a phone, but we just don't currently use it. And whenever they don't have items in stock, they're supposed to call me and we work out what they're getting instead. So since they didn't have my correct number, I have to come back later now and get the stuff that I needed, because I was like, that's my dinner for the next few days, and now I have nothing to make for dinner tonight. I like really needed the stuff they were out of, so that's aggravating. Have to make another trip back later, but it is what it is. I'm gonna get home and I will show you the groceries that I got. Okay, so I have a friend coming over in a few minutes, so I'm gonna do this super speedy. I have the 647 bread, which I really like. Some chicken broth, because I might be making some crock pot homemade chicken soup this week. I also have some of the Prego chunky garden sauce, because I'm also thinking of doing like a crock pot chicken cacciatore. I have some of these variety packs, the organic instant oatmeal. I really like these. I tried them for the first time a few weeks ago and they're really good. I have some granola, also some more cooking spray. This is the Full Circle olive oil cooking spray. And then I have some pasta sauces for a chili that I plan on making, and some peanut butter Laura bars. I like the peanut butter chocolate chip. And then I have these Kashi bars, the trail mix one, and then also the dark mocha almond. And then I have a rotisserie chicken. I'm pretty sure I bought 2 of those. There's only one though. I'm gonna have to check on that. I have to go back anyway. So I have some chicken breast, a big package of eggs, some cheese, and I have some organic milk. I also picked up these Harvest Snaps. If you guys watch my grocery hauls, you know I get these all the time. We really like them. And then all of my produce, which I got a lot this time. I have strawberries, blueberries, grapes, some celery and carrots, broccoli, lettuce, cauliflower, cucumbers, tomatoes, and then I have some avocados and some spinach. And that is everything that I picked up, but I'm gonna have to still go back. Oh, and I have some of the Activia yogurt. I'm gonna try the Greek. I haven't tried that one yet. I thought maybe with the granola and some fresh fruit it would be good. And then my kids like this variety pack of the, it's the blueberry and the strawberry. So I still have to go back to get ground turkey, kidney beans, cat food, sliced turkey breast for school lunches. There was like a whole bunch of stuff missing. So yeah, I'm gonna go back and pick up a few more things later, but that is everything that I got today on my little grocery haul. So it's 12:15 and I am just doing computer work. I'm not even hungry yet for lunch, which is weird, but sometimes when I have eggs in the morning, it like really fills me up. There's something weird about eggs. I don't know what it is, but yeah, I mean, I haven't eaten since earlier this morning and I just really have no appetite at all. So anyway, I am getting some boring work done, just things that I need to follow up and do, and stuff that I really don't want to do, but I just need to get done. And then I'm going to take a lunch break and check my to-do list to see what else I am missing today. I have to start, like I said, preparing for Madison's birthday party. And I'll show you in a little bit the favors that I got in the mail, because I'm starting to put together party favors for her kid party, which will be on the weekend. And she's doing a unicorn theme, so it's really cute and fun. And yeah, so I'll show that to you guys in a little bit, but let me finish my very boring work right now. I was just scrolling through some of your comments, and like, you guys have been so nice and supportive. I was nervous about doing Vlogtober and thinking nobody was going to really enjoy it or care much to watch it, but you guys seem to really like it, and that makes me so happy. So I am feeling inspired to continue this, and I'm excited to document every day of my life in October, and thank you for all of the kind comments and for all the thumbs up to inspire me to carry on. Thanks guys, you're the best. So I just walked these 2 guys. I think they're looking for some water. Are you guys thirsty? Yeah, you want some water? All right. Chester gets very excited usually when he hears the sink running. Okay. So they just had a nice walk. Beautiful out. Another really nice autumn day. And I'm getting hungry now, but I took a nice walk, so I think I am going to make some lunch. All right, don't judge me on my pantry. It's not as beautiful and organized as it was on my pantry organizational video, okay? Life happens. See, I have all my Princess and Mickey Mouse soups down there, but I think today I'm going to have one of these emu soups. So I'm just gonna heat that up for lunch. And while it's heating up, I'll go ahead and show you guys the party favors that I'm putting together for Madison's birthday party. So I've just been corralling everything over here on the little couch in my bedroom. I have these little unicorn plastic cups that I got. I think I got all of this stuff pretty much from Amazon, and they were about $1 each. So I'm gonna fill them with some goodies. I bought these at Costco like a year ago or more. I just thought they were really cute pencils with these really cute erasers. So I'm gonna put one of those in. And then I have these flashing jelly ring lights. So everybody's gonna get one of these little light up rings, which are fun, and they flash and light up. So I thought those were cute. And I figured anything that I have extra, I could actually use for Halloween. That's the nice part of Madison having her birthday in October. Any extras will not go to waste. Then I have this unicorn poop. So basically it's just little bags of jelly beans, and they're calling it unicorn poop because that just, I guess, makes it more enticing to children for some crazy reason. And then Emily had her Sweet 16 party this summer, and the theme was like navy and white and silver, so we have a ton of candy left over from that. So I have a whole bunch of white and blue Hershey Kisses, and then I have a bunch of rock candy on a stick in navy blue, so they're all going to get that as well. And then what party would be complete without some glow-in-the-dark slime? So everybody's going to get a little thing of glow-in-the-dark slime as well. And I think that's going to do it for her party favors. I'm going to try to find some like nice cellophane and ribbon to wrap the cups up in, and that is what we're going to be giving out. And I'm back in the laundry room. I'm going to get the laundry going, but I thought I would show you my mom outfit of the day once again. It's really nice out today. It warmed up a lot, so I am wearing this blue and white striped top that I got over the summer. I can't remember where. It's probably like Kohl's, I think, but I think it's really cute with the lace at the bottom, and my jeans, and then a pair of Sperry's. So yep, that is the mom outfit of the day. I'm still keeping it casual. It's still super nice out, and I am not complaining. I thoroughly enjoy the warmer weather. I'm not a winter girl, so I love the fall. Don't get me wrong, the fall is my favorite season. But once the snow starts coming, I enjoy like the first couple of days. I love like sitting in front of the fire, having hot chocolate. That's nice. The rest of it, it's not. All right, I'm gonna go eat. So I'm warming up my soup, and so this is what my sink looks like. And my son was supposed to unload and reload the dishwasher last night, and he didn't. So it's piling up. I don't know if I'm a mean mom for doing this, but I'm feeling like, you know what, you didn't do your chore yesterday, so now you have to pay the price because now you have that much more to deal with. Otherwise, I would have done it myself in the morning, but it's just not fair. I think he needs to follow through and unload and reload. And yeah, so that's the way I feel about that. So I've got my soup, I have my water here, and I am going to go upstairs and have lunch and maybe start editing this. I did that yesterday and had a head start. It worked out very well. So this is the dangerous part about keeping a bag of Hershey Kisses right in my bedroom. I can't keep my hands out of them. I keep grabbing handfuls and going back to my computer and doing work, but yeah, this is dangerous. This is like worse than having the Halloween candy early, because that is also something that I do and I can't keep myself away from. So this is exciting. Emily is driving. She got her permit, and get ready for it, she also got a job. Ooh. This is so exciting. So proud of you, Emily, making your own money.
Yeah, Yeah.
Driving yourself to work.
I've made $3 so far. Are you proud?
Okay, focus on the road. So Emily just drove herself to work. I'm still like baffled by that. I cannot believe that Emily is driving already. Like, I remember her just being 2 years old in her little Tinkerbell costume, and now she's driving my car. So yeah, and she has a job. She just started a couple of days ago, so she's growing up really super fast. And I just got her off to work. Madison's going to dance now. Patrick is going to soccer, and my head is just spinning. I'm like trying to strategically plan where I'm going and hope I don't forget anyone. Emily's like, don't forget to pick me up from work at 7:30. And I'm just like, yeah, there's a good chance that's going to happen. I better set my alarm. But anyway, so yeah, so I have to grab Madison now, take her to dance, go pick up the rest of my groceries. See, I almost forgot that part. Come home, try to figure out dinner quick, get Patrick to soccer, get Madison home from dance, pick up Emily from work. Yes, that's what I'm doing. I will catch up with you guys later. So Madison's at dance class, and I just prepped a whole bunch of food. So I cut up the rotisserie chicken. I made a big salad. I just have lettuce, tomato, onions in here, and we're gonna do Taco Tuesday. So I have shredded lettuce that I cut up, tomatoes that I cut up, more onions that I cut up. And I made Emily's salad for school tomorrow, and I added some of the rotisserie chicken in there. So yeah, I'm feeling good. I'm ahead of the game. So I'm going to go pick up Madison. We'll come home, have a quick dinner, and then, yeah, then I don't even know what. Then I'm picking up Emily. And tonight I'm supposed to actually go over my mom's house because we love to watch Poldark. It's like our favorite show ever after Downton Abbey. Since that show is no longer on, sadly, we like to watch Poldark, and it came back out on Sunday, and I wasn't home to watch it, so I'm supposed to go over her house later on tonight, and we like to watch Poldark together. So hopefully I can pull that off. Hey, what do you think you're doing, guy? Get down. Down. Good boy. Sit. Set. Good boy, Chester. You too, Leo. I know you're a good boy too. Taking the dogs for their evening walk, and I see this guy, and Chester is terrified to walk past him. I'm just holding him past now, but it was so funny. Tigger.
I was just at dance, and my mom, nobody knew this in our family, but our whole dance school, they said that there's a tornado coming.
The tornado's headed our way?
Yep.
Uh-oh.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
It could wreck our house.
I think we'll be all right. This house has been here well over 100 years. It's probably seen many a tornado.
Hurricanes?
And it's seen plenty of hurricanes. We were here for some of them. I think we'll be all right. So we are eating tacos. I have my taco all loaded up here with lots of sour cream and ground turkey and lettuce and tomatoes. And we are working on our Tuesday night homework. It's almost 7 o'clock already, and Emily will be home from work pretty soon. And hopefully I'm going over Grandma's to watch Poldark. I know you don't like it when I go out at night, but just might have to do it this time. So I just got back from my mom's. We did the whole Poldark thing. I really miss that show. It's like such an amazing show. Yeah, so I had, you know, some nice relaxing time over there, and now I am home. It is after 9:30 at night, so I am going to upload all of my little clips from today and edit and get ready for bed. And it is storming outside. It's like thunder, lightning, pouring rain. It's really a spooky night out there. But yeah, so I'm glad that you guys came along with me yet again today. I guess I'm really going to be doing this for the month of October, and I hope I see you guys back tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm taking Leo to the groomer, so that should be fun. And I think I'm going to do some shopping for Madison's birthday. So I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.